What's going on, Winjas? This is your girl Maya, and if you're like me, we're all on quarantine right now, and so you're probably not going to the gym. You're probably at home doing your workouts at home. And if you're getting bored with your home workouts, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to spice it up, spice it up, make it a little bit more interesting, making it a little bit more challenging. Cue that intro. Okay, I'm going to break down 5 most common exercises we are all doing at home right now, and I'm going to show you just little tweaks to make it a little bit more Winja style. But make sure you subscribe and press that bell and share this video with all your friends that are at home right now to stay fit. We are going to emerge out of this quarantine fitter than ever. That's the goal. Okay, let's start with the push-up, right? You can do push-ups anywhere. I've done millions of tutorials on the push-up before. Let's say you're nailing your push-up and you want to make it a little bit more interesting. We can play with speed, with tempo, and with pauses and pulses. So this is how I've been doing my push-ups lately. I've been really engaging and being present all the time. I'm present, but now more than ever. And I've been playing with the 1, 2. How slow can you go? How slow can you go? Oh, oh, oh. So play around with going down for a whole 5-second count and then add a little pause to it, right? So now we've got slow, so I've really maximized my tempo, and then pause, hold it, and then come back up if you can. Woo! Yo, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Yeah. Yeah, that's the best way to train, is when you can slow down a movement, you know that you're owning that freaking movement. And that's how we Winjas train, with precision, with movement, with connection. So if you can also play with pulses. Pulse, 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 and then I'm out with yo. I can't even get back up after that. So pulses, pauses, all that good stuff, and hand positioning. So push, make sure if you're pushing a lot at home, you're also pulling as well. Okay, I'm all about teaching you guys how to move in a balanced way, so don't neglect your back. Even if you don't have any equipment, you can still train your back at home. So we've been doing a lot of Superman, Superwoman, like these. Make it more interesting by having one arm isometrically held up, and then one arm pausing, or pulsing. So right now I'm doing a T, and I would have one arm really nicely held up, engaging my shoulder blades together, squeezing that imaginary pencil in between my shoulder blades while this other arm pulses. I'm gonna keep mixing that up all day. And then you can play around with your letters, right? Oh, you're gonna be training your entire backside in this movement, so play around with I's, with Y's, with T's, with A's, with W's. Play around. How many letters can you do? Oh, spell your name. Make sure you're pulling. Okay, squats, right? We're all squatting right now. If you don't have any weights, this little body weight squat can get quite boring. Yo, you gotta add the pause, right? So if you're getting really good with your squat, pause it. See how long you can stay here. Another really challenging extra way to spice it up is to do a 60-second squat. Or just try a 20-second squat. What does that mean? It means taking a full 20 seconds to lower yourself down, to really plant your feet, to take your belly into your spine and lower yourself in. Oh my God. I think it's only been 4 seconds. Yo, send help. And then as you get to the hardest part, where your quads are burning, your legs are shaking, hold it. Hold it right there. Squeeze everything, engage everything, be present, be here, and then come out. Oh, that's how you make a squat spicy. Now, if you want to make anything leg related or even upper body related more interesting, yo, take out on a limb. So with the squat, oh, I gotta catch my breath. If you want to do a single leg squat, we've done a previous pistol squat tutorial already, but now is a really good time to really train your pistol squats. And now you got single-legged training. Damn, that is interesting. Or the shrimp squat. Check this out. I don't know if I can do this now that I'm walking. The shrimp squat is, I'm gonna lower myself. Oh, one leg. Try that. Take out a leg and squat with it. Even if you're not grabbing the leg, it is so much harder. Okay, so let's get into the deadlift, right? The hinge pattern. If you're hinging at home, you could easily just do a double leg, bilateral leg. If you're getting bored of that, boom. Take out a leg, make a single leg. If you're bored of this, yo, add a rotation for an crazy stability. Stability, oh my gosh, I'm losing it. Stability, strength, core challenge. All right, let me try that again. Maybe I won't go so deep. Oh, okay, we gotta work on that. But this is what I'm saying. Play around with single leg, with tempo, with speed, with pausing, so you're adding isometric holds, with plyometric, so in between holding, add some jumping, right? So if you're feeling really good, if you've got your squat down, then you can easily add a jump. And that could level up and amp up any workout by tenfold. Just make sure you land like a jungle puma. That's right. Okay, so right now I see a lot of you guys are doing dips, which I love because the arms, this is like 75% triceps. And I love how the guys are always curling for the girls, but yo boys, you gotta do dips for the girls because your arm, it's all triceps. So let me grab my equalizer bar. You can easily spice up dips by just taking out one leg, like we mentioned. And then that adds a whole other level of core stability and strength requirement. Play around with foot placement. It's easiest when it's right underneath you. It's harder when it's out. It's super hard when one is hovering, because now I'm basically doing an L sit. Or elevate. So you can elevate your feet when you're doing a push-up. That makes it so much harder. You can elevate your feet at any time and make it harder for yourself. Woo! I feel like I just worked out. All right, my winjas. Stay healthy, stay well, keep moving. But remember, do the things that you love to do right now, okay? Right now we're all in a crazy period of our life, and I just wish you well, and I wish you are in a happy and healthy place. So I know it's hard right now if you can't go out and do the things you want to do, but there's always ways to make it more positive, make it more interesting. And so I thank you for being here with me, for watching this video. I love hearing from you. So drop me a comment and make sure to check the description box for helpful links to other videos to help you in your movement journey. This is your girl Maya. Yeah.